Kidneys are our body's filters that remove unnecessary waste and extra water, which becomes urine. When they don't function properly, they fail to filter toxins, which causes major issues. However, most people don't know that they suffer from kidney disease since the early signs can be attributed to other conditions. So today, we will cover 10 signs that your kidneys need help and how to prevent their failure as soon as possible. Let's jump into it right ahead. Number 1. Fatigue. A severe decrease in kidney function can lead to a buildup of toxins and impurities in the blood. This can make you feel tired, weak, and unable to focus. Also, healthy kidneys produce a hormone that contributes to the creation of red cells in the body. These cells carry oxygen throughout the body, so the fewer red blood cells we have, the more tired we feel. Number 2. Dry and itchy skin. Healthy kidneys not only remove waste from our body and help produce red blood cells, they also help keep bones strong and maintain the right amount of minerals in your blood. Dry and itchy skin can be a sign of failing kidneys that can no longer support the mineral balance in your body. Number 3. Feeling cold. This may sound a bit weird, but kidney disease can lead to anemia, making you feel cold even if it's warm in the room. This is a sign that can easily go unnoticed. So if you always get chills in a warm place and have no idea what's going on, make sure you call your doctor and get your kidneys checked. Number 4. Having persistent puffiness around your eyes. Yes, one symptom of kidney disease may be hiding in plain sight on your face. When kidneys are damaged, they let protein leak into the urine instead of storing it in the body. The loss of protein from the body results in the storage of fluids around the eyes, which causes puffiness. Of course, puffy eyes can also be a sign of other, less concerning issues such as stress, lack of sleep, or allergies. Number 5. Frequent urination. If you feel the need to urinate more often, especially at night, this can signify kidney disease. Sometimes frequent urination can be followed by pain or burning sensations. However, keep in mind that while in some cases, frequent urination can be a symptom of kidney disease, it's most often related to a bladder issue. Number 6. Foamy or bloody urine. When healthy kidneys filter wastes from the blood to create urine, they keep the blood cells in the body. However, when the kidneys' filters are damaged, these blood cells can start to leak out into the urine. Blood in the urine can also be an indicator of kidney stones or an infection. Furthermore, you may notice that your urine becomes foamy. Discolored urine with bubbles or white foam can indicate a vast amount of protein in the urine. This foam looks like the one you see when making scrambled eggs. It's because of albumin, the common protein found not only in urine, but also in eggs. Number 7. Shortness of breath. This symptom is usually attributed to heart or lung diseases. However, it can also be shared by damaged kidneys. When they cannot filter the extra fluids and toxins in our body, they can build up in the lungs, which causes shortness of breath. Furthermore, the low number of red cells can also starve your body of oxygen. Number 8. Swollen ankles and feet. We've already mentioned puffiness around your eyes, but that's another symptom that needs to be checked as soon as possible. Decreased kidney function can lead to sodium retention, which causes swelling in your feet and ankles. However, swelling in the lower extremities can also be a sign of heart or liver disease and chronic leg vein problems. Number 9. Trouble sleeping. When your kidneys aren't filtering properly, toxins stay in the bloodstream instead of leaving your body through the urine. Interestingly, it can wreck your sleep quality. There is also a link between kidney disease and sleep apnea. Sleep apnea is a condition in which breathing repeatedly stops and starts. It makes you snore loudly and feel tired even after a full night's sleep. Sleep apnea is more common in those with chronic kidney disease compared to the general population. Number 10. Muscle cramps. Cramps, especially leg cramps, are common for people with kidney disease. Cramps are mainly caused by imbalances in fluid, electrolytes, nerve damage, or blood flow problems. Okay, so we went through the main symptoms of kidney disease. Let's look at ways to prevent it. Number 1. Stay properly hydrated. The first step in preventing kidney disease is drinking enough water to help your kidneys function properly. You don't need to overdo it. It's enough to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water per day. Number 2. Follow instructions on over-the-counter medications. When using non-prescription pain relievers such as aspirin or ibuprofen, follow the instructions on the package. Taking too many pain relievers for a long time could lead to kidney damage. Take medication in moderation and only when you absolutely need to. Number 3. Quit smoking and limit alcohol intake. In general, heavy drinking and smoking will raise your blood pressure levels and thus damage your kidneys or worsen existing damage. If you're a heavy smoker, talk to your doctor about strategies for quitting. Support groups, counseling, and medications can all help you stop or at least limit your guilty pleasures. Number 4. Keep a balanced diet. Studies showed that kidney problems can be connected to other medical conditions and triggered by high blood pressure, diabetes, or cardiovascular diseases. All health problems usually appear because of a poor diet and lack of exercise. So if you want to prevent kidney disease, make sure you follow a healthy nutrition plan. Choose foods that are healthy for your heart and your entire body: fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, whole grains, and low-fat or fat-free dairy products. Also, try cutting back on salt and added sugars. Number 5. Stay active and exercise regularly. There's no excuse for not being active, and we're pretty sure you could find some time for exercise. There are many activities that you can easily add to your busy schedule. You can simply start walking more every day, adding running, cycling, or swimming to your everyday routine. You don't need to be a top-notch athlete to reap the benefits of an active lifestyle. Making small changes to your everyday routine will make you healthier and happier in the long run. Watch next Top 5 Foods That Destroy Your Immune System and Why Apple Cider Vinegar Helps You Lose Weight. See you next time!